sunnier than most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, then maybe you should stay instead of turning around. So
Good morning, guys. So today is June 12, Saturday. It's currently 9:23 a.m. and I'm going out for some errands. Then I'm planning to have a haircut, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna push through with it kasi as much as possible. Takot pa rin ako magpa-salon. Pero I really want to have a haircut kasi ang haba na ng hair ko. And sobrang init. Just a quick OOTD. Top is from YesStyle. So, it's like a crop top knit. Ganito yung tela niya kapag malapitan. These jeans are from YesStyle. These are high-waisted jeans. Top wide siya sa baba. I'm just gonna put the links in the description box if you're interested, and also I wanna share some clothes that I also got from YesStyle. Next is this crop cardigan. Medyo red-orange yung color niya. And mas bagay siya na as top kesa as cardigan because of its size. That looks like this. Tapos, sobrang lambot ng tela niya, as you can see. Like, super lambot. And high quality yung feels niya. I also got this parang corset top. May tali siya sa likod. Then, ganito siya. Then, for my bag, I also got this from YesStyle. This is a sling bag, pero it can also be used as mini handbag. Parang canvas yung type niya. Ito, hindi kasama to. Pero yeah. And it has adjustable straps. And what I like about this is sobrang spacious niya sa loob. Plus, if feel mo madumi siya, you can just easily have it washed or laundried. Unlike if leather yung bag mo, hindi mo yun magagawa. Another bag from YesStyle. I was supposed to use this kasi feel ko mas bagay siya sa outfit. It's a leather sling bag and ang ganda ng quality niya. May magnet. Tapos, it has 2 compartments. But, disadvantage lang nito is, konti lang yung malalagay mo. Well, not really like super konti. Madami ka pa din naman malalagay, pero for my daily essentials, especially if I bring my camera and my wallet, medyo struggle na siya i-close. That's why I didn't opt for this. But, it looks like this.
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, 'cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.
Baba pearl with cream. Yan ba? Ito lang.
Sunrise, no destination, no lie. I've been so patient, like winter waiting for June. I'm done and waiting for you, waiting for you. Baby, I'm outside, be thinking about you all night. Be thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, be thinking about you all night. Be thinking it ain't right if you and me.
I want sunshine, I want rain, I want love, I want the pain. Shoot me up, gon' say my name, cause it don't feel the same when you're not around. The feelings come out. I wish I could say that I figured it out. Got my head in the clouds when I'm feeling down. Now that I know I can figure this out. Little towns gon' take off, lost and found, that's what we are. City lights and plastic cars, tiny people, giant stars. We don't care about what we find, we just need each other's time. Young and reckless by design, I find my peace of mind. Cause I don't wanna keep on waiting till out of patience fading. I'm recreating all the memories with you. You can say I'm crazy, maybe, but it's days. Take me to the stars and space, the world comes back around. And little towns gon' take off, lost and found, that's what we are. City lights and plastic cars, tiny people, giant stars. We don't care about what we find, we just need each other's time. Young and reckless by design, I find my peace of mind. I don't know what to say, waiting till patience fading on this way. All memories with you. I don't know what to say, waiting to feel this way.
Magkano to? 56? Grabe. Moody inspired. Subvention password. $99.